Welcome to the Maths In. Today, we will solve an infinite geometric series problem from the Colombia Math Olympiad. Here you can see the infinite geometric series. Let's start with this series where each term is half of the previous one. 1 plus 1/2, plus 1/4, plus 1/8, and so on. This pattern continues infinitely, demonstrating how each subsequent number in this series is exactly half of its predecessor. First, we need to identify two key elements: the first term and the common ratio. In our series, the first term, which we call the a, is 1. The common ratio, r, is 1/2, as each term is half of the previous one. Next, we'll use a special formula for summing infinite geometric series. The formula is s equals a divided by 1 minus r. This formula works when the absolute value of r is less than 1, which is true in our case since the absolute value of 1/2 is indeed less than 1. Now, let's plug our values into the formula. We replace the value of the first term a with 1 and r with 1/2. Our next step is to simplify the denominator. We start with 1 minus 1/2. Subtracting these, we get 1/2 in the denominator. Finally, we calculate the sum. We have 1 divided by 1/2, which is the same as 1 times 2 upon 1, which equals 2. And there we have it. The sum of this infinite series is 2. It might seem strange that adding an infinite number of terms results in a finite sum, but that's the fascinating part of mathematics. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button.